Bitcoin is dying. Hi guys, welcome to the Crypto Lab. My name is Sifu Wong. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin price is dropping massively since last night. The question here is, are you able to survive from this crash, or are you losing massively from the crash? Just from last night, from 12 a.m. last night Malaysian time, and right now is 3 o'clock as this video has been recorded, Bitcoin price has dropped more than 10%. And the question here is, are you able to survive from it, or have you been losing a lot of money from this particular crash? As for me, I have 20 times my wallet since last night. Yes, that is 20 times. Whatever balance that I have over there, it has been multiplied by 20 times just by this Bitcoin crash. So now a bigger question comes over here: how you can benefit from this. A lot of people has been asking me this: can you teach me how to trade, or can you give me signals? Can you tell me when you are going to open the trade, when you are going to close the trade, which coin you're going to buy, and this and that? So I'm going to answer this question once and for all. Instead of spoon feeding you with signals all the time, which is against my practice, I will never give anyone any signal. But however, if you genuinely would like to learn these lifelong skills of trading, I will teach you, and I will teach you for free. Yes, you heard it right. I will teach you for free. But however, there are few criteria that you need to fulfill if you would like to join our next crypto trading apprenticeship program, which is going to take up 3 months of your time to learn how to trade. What you're going to do in this 3 months is that you need to attend to this apprenticeship program, where I'm going to guide you on the step-by-step basis how you can start trading from scratch, how you are going to read the chart, how you are going to understand candlestick patterns and chart patterns and everything, how you're going to place a trade, how you're going to collect a profit, how you're going to manage trade, and everything that you need to know until you'll be able to trade independently on your own. So upon completion of this 3 months program, you will be able to trade independently from any signals by anyone at all. It's a lifelong learning skill that you are going to get over here. And yes, you are going to learn this skill for free. With the condition, you need to meet a few things. In these 3 months, we are going to have a weekly live Zoom session where I'm going to teach you on a step-by-step basis how you are going to do all these things to enable you to start trading at the end of the day. So what are the criteria that you need to meet over here? Is number 1, you will need to attend to the weekly live session. That is going to be compulsory. And upon completion of every session, I will be giving you homework, and you need to submit your homework every classes before the next classes begins. That is criteria number 2. Number 3, you're only allowed to trade with the BitUnix account sign up with only my link. Number 4, you need to fund that account with the minimum of 500 USDT. This is not a fee to me or anyone. This is your capital for you to trade. And last but not least, number 5, you need to hit to the minimum of 1 million USDT in volume at the end of month 2. Don't worry, the amount sounds huge, but I'm going to teach you how you can actually achieve that, and it is absolutely achievable. Believe me, I'm going to teach you how you can achieve that. Don't worry about that. So if you feel that you are someone who is enthusiastic and someone who is coachable, this program is for you. If you cannot commit to this, please do not join this program. Okay? So if you're interested to join our next crypto trading apprenticeship program, how you can take part in this is that click on the link in the description area below. Join this Telegram group where I'll be giving you further announcement from there. Our next batch we are going to start in May, which is next month. So we are going to take in our registration for now. Not everyone will be accepted. I'm going to handpick a few of you who is genuinely needing this opportunity. Upon doing that, do not forget to sign up for your new BitUnix account using my link in the description area below, and send your user ID to my Telegram, where I'm going to add you to a support group monitored by myself to give you all the support that you need and gain massively together with us. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in the apprenticeship program very, very soon.